In the last video, we learned about adding on durations to our animations, but in this video, we're going to learn about adding on delays to our animation as well. Now, delay is essentially just going to say, okay, how long do I want the animation to wait before it starts to animate? So we're going to adjust the CSS that's going to include a delay. So let's go into the CSS file. In the last video, we added on this section 1 and we added on a WebKit animation dash duration, and then we adjusted it to be 5 seconds, but I came in here and tweaked that to be 2 seconds. I don't want it to be too long. And then I'm going to come into index.html file. You'll notice that I added on that class of section 1, so it knows that I'm talking to this section. So going back into interaction.css, this is pretty simple. So if I come in here, I just do the same thing that I did before. So if I'm talking to the WebKits, I can say WebKit-animation-delay, and then I can add on the seconds of the delay. So if I want this to be 2 seconds, I can go ahead and say delay this for 2 seconds and then do the animation for 2 seconds as well. So let's go into our browser and preview this. Let's hit refresh. You'll notice that it waits 2 seconds and then the animation itself takes 2 seconds. That's how you go in. It's pretty simple. If you already know how to do duration, then you know how to do delays as well. You just change the text from duration to delay and then adjust that there. In the next section, we're going to talk about iteration count. We've already learned about how to infinitely loop something over and over, but let's say you just wanted to do it a couple of times and then stop. So we'll talk about how to do that, and you use an iteration count in order to do that.